DIY Organic Poison Ivy Killer. Poison ivy is a highly allergenic plant that causes itchy rashes, painful blisters and burning sensations on skin. If you find poison ivy in your garden, the best approach to eradicating it is through organic means. While chemical applications are effective in killing poison ivy, some are detrimental to garden plants and the soil. Manual labor, water and vinegar are acceptable organic approaches to ridding your garden and property of the menacing foliage. Things you'll need: water, large boiling pot, stove, long sleeve shirt, loose fitting pants, heavy gauge rubber gloves, rubber boots, plastic yard bags, measuring cup, salt, white vinegar, spoon, liquid organic detergent, garden sprayer. Water. Locate the poison ivy plants. This allows you to choose the most expedient path to take when carrying the water. Boil water in the largest pot that is safe to manage. Heat the water on an indoor or outdoor stove. Ensure that the pot is not so heavy that it will be difficult to work with and unsafe to carry. Pour the boiling water directly on the poison ivy plant. Avoid pouring it on any other vegetation. Repeat step 3 on each plant as necessary. Manual labor. Pull the poison ivy plant out of the ground. Wear heavy gauge rubber gloves, a long sleeve shirt and rubber boots when working. Check to make sure you've pulled the root out with the plant. If any of the plant root survives, the poison ivy can come back. Place the plants in plastic yard bags for disposal. Vinegar. Combine 1 measured cup of salt with 1 gallon of white vinegar in a large boiler pot. Heat the salt and vinegar on a stove. Stir with a spoon until the salt completely dissolves. Remove the vinegar and salt solution from the heat and allow it to cool. Add 10 drops of liquid organic detergent to the vinegar and salt. Stir the mixture slowly with the spoon. Pour the vinegar solution into a garden sprayer. Spray the vinegar solution directly onto the poison ivy plants. Like the boiling water method, this mixture will kill all vegetation. Spray it only on the poison ivy plants. Tips: warnings. Pull poison ivy plants after a rain. Less effort is required to pull the roots up and out of rain-softened ground. A barbecue pit is excellent for boiling water outdoors. Boiling water kills any part of a plant it comes in contact with. Take care to direct the water flow only on the poison ivy. Wash thoroughly after working with or near poison ivy to avoid getting a rash.